Do you just assume that your tenants clean split systems for their owners? The fact is that most tenants would not even know how to clean easy-to-remove filters. Because the system is used heavily in both summer and winter, the lifetime of the system will be greatly reduced if it is not cleaned on a regular basis, just like your car when you don't service it. At Plum Heating and Cooling, we are revolutionising the servicing and cleaning of wall-hung split systems with our new concept, eco-cleaning. As a landlord, doesn't it make sense to service a system regularly rather than risking it breaking down and having to buy a new system? An eco-clean will help detect any problems early, before they become much larger and much more costly. It will also ensure the system runs at maximum performance to stop your tenants complaining when the mercury rises. Split systems are an ideal breeding ground for mould, bacteria and fungi. A split system that goes without a service for an extended period of time will always have a reduction in the quality of air it produces. These airborne pollutants can cause health problems such as allergies, asthma and more. Eco-cleaning will clean dust and airborne contaminants off the coil, which is located behind the filters. What is involved in an eco-clean? When the Plum technician arrives, he will remove the plastic covers and filters from your split system and take them outside. Our technician will spray them with an industrial antibacterial chemical and then eco-clean them to make them look new again. A water waste catchment bag is then attached underneath your indoor unit. We then apply industrial-grade chemicals to loosen the dirt on the exposed indoor fan coil. Our technician will then eco-clean the indoor system with our special pressurised water system to remove dirt, grime and mould from the indoor unit fan coil. He will then eco-clean the indoor barrel fan and back of the system. After the system has been eco-cleaned, we will blow dry your indoor unit with our exclusive portable drying system. We then reassemble your unit and complete a full function test to ensure it's operating the way it's supposed to. Your split system has not been cleaned until it has been eco-cleaned by Plum Heating and Cooling. To book, contact your property manager today or call us on 8360 9622.